Squares of 3-digit numbers from 100 to 199. For 104 square, add 104 with last 2 digit of 104, that is 108. The remaining 2 digit of the answer is the square of a last 2 digits. 4 square is 16, so the answer is 10,816. For 106 square, 106 plus 06 is equal to 112. 6 square is 36. 11,236 is the answer. For 109 square, 109 plus 09 is 118. 9 square is 81. 11,881 is the answer. For 112 square, 112 added with 12 is 124. 12 square is 144. Instead of 2-digit answer, we get the 3 digits. So, add 1 with 124. We get 125 and write the remaining digit in 144, that is 44. 12,544 is the answer. For 125 square, 125 added with 25 is 150. 25 square is 625. Adding 6 with 150, we get 156. And the remaining digits are 25. 15,625 is the answer. For 130 square, 130 added with 30, we get 160. 30 square is 900. Adding 9 with 160, we get the 169. And the remaining digits are 00. 16,900 is the answer. Follow Career Lander for more useful shortcuts.